and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, as you saw by the title, you saw by the thumbnail, y'all, it's the March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let's see if we're going to continue on this subscription service for at least a month-to-month basis. As you guys know, I have been contemplating on whether or not I'm going to cancel the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, because for the past 3-4 months I have gotten one of the same particular items inside of my box. Not by the same brand, but I have gotten a black eyeliner every single month for the past 3 months. So let's see if they can redeem themselves. Okay, let's see if they will get into more of my money. Ain't looking too good for them, but you know what? Let's see. So if you want to see what I got inside my March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, please keep on watching. Okay, so for this month's theme, it's called Celebrate You, March 2020. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th glam bag. And you, let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. Okay, let's see if we're gonna go anywhere. Ipsy, let's see what you're gonna do for me, okay? All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is what is this? This is the Melon Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel, okay? So I've never heard of that brand. Ooh, come on now, okay? I've never heard of this brand before, but it's an eye gel and it's supposed to help the eye area, skincare. Ooh, sorry guys, it's all over the place. It's in a 2B with blue writing, whatever, okay? And the eye gel is okay. So this eye gel retails for $42. Okay. All right. It says your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it love with this multitasking eye gel. Okay, lightweight texture soaks into the skin without leaving behind an annoying residue. It helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothes irritation, and brightens up dark circles. Okay, all right. Stash the gel in the fridge. Extra chill works wonders when it's soothing and depuffing. Okay, so I will most definitely be trying this out right here. $42. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Eye creams, they're across the board, high, low, you know, so, okay. Next thing I see is, let's see here, this is the Day to Night Auto Balm eyeshadow palette by The Balm, okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. Okay, good. Okay, there it is. All right. And this is an eyeshadow palette, or is this a face palette? This is the eyeshadow palette, okay. So let me see if I can open. Okay, took me a second to get inside there. But here it is. I hope you guys can see those colors right there. That one that's really blinded out right there at the top, that is like a nudie, really like cream off-white shade. Okay, all right. But they have these. They have a black primer. Okay, they have a black primer inside of this, and some other really pretty colors that could make it a day to night look. Okay, very pretty and very soft colors. Okay. All right, so I have not really tried the Balm's brand. I think I have one other palette from them. It's a face palette, and I really haven't even dived into that yet, but I have this one right here too. So, all right, the Balm. Okay, and this eyeshadow palette retails for $26.50. Okay. All righty. Okay, and here is the little baggie that I get every month. It says Unstoppable on the front of it. So there you go. All right. So next up we have this right here, which is the coffee scrub. Okay, right there. I think I saw something like this. I think I may have seen this like in Ulta. I think I think. Don't hold me to that. I think I saw, or maybe I saw something like this in Ulta, okay? But we have this right here. It's a coffee scrub, okay? Sexy skin is just a scrub away. I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils, which helps neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Okay. Alrighty then. I will have to most definitely try this. I like a really good body scrub. I will say that. So we will most definitely see this. I've never tried a body scrub with coffee. I think I wonder if it smells like coffee. Let's see if it smells like coffee, because now I'm curious. Now I am curious. Oh, it says coconut at the top of it though, so I don't. Maybe it smells like coconut. Oh no, I haven't even opened it yet, and it smells like coffee. Ooh. Now, if you're anything like me, just a little bit, you love the fresh smell of coffee. All right. Okay, and it does zip back up. It has a little zippy, well, it seals back up. Okay, so I can't wait to try this. Oh, I'm going to be smelling like coffee. Because you know she chocolate. No. Anyway, okay. All right, so the coffee scrub, let's see here, retails for $21.99. Huh, okay. All right, dampen your skin in the shower, then work the scrub over your body in circular motions, paying attention to rough areas like your knees and your elbows. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse away. Pretty simple, okay? Because most of my scrubs, I'm not even gonna lie, and y'all probably if you've tried any body scrubs. I've never tried a dry body scrub. All of mine are usually moist and, like, you know, in a jar, and I don't want to throw that down. It's mostly in a jar, so that's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to try that out. I'll let you guys know about that one, okay? But it's $21.99. So we have Ginza Super 8 Lip Oil. Okay, let's see here. Let's see, where are you? Okay, the Ginza Super 8 Lip Oil in pink. Okay, let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. Okay. Okay, alrighty then. Let's. Woo. It says it's in pink. Is it in pink? It is in pink. Okay, does it match? It matches my jacket. It's in pink. Okay. Alrighty. So this oil retails for $24. Share out your favorite lipstick by blending a swipe of this oil over your lips. Okay. Alrighty. $24. Kind of, I guess it sounds kind of pricey, but you know, we'll see. I only got 2 things left. Okay. And that is this brush right here. I think I got a brush like this from a couple of months ago from this brand. And I think it might have been from Ipsy, because it looks very familiar to the bronzing brush that I got. But I love that brush for bronzing, okay? So here it is right here. This is the Complex and Culture Precision Concealer Brush, okay? Alrighty then. And this was by that brand I got a couple months ago. I got a bronzer brush from this brand a couple months ago, okay? And this brush retails for $26. Not bad at all. This brush is super, super soft. So I can't wait to use this. A precision concealer brush. Alrighty then. Is that all? Y'all, I canceled Luna Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner in black. For the 4th month in a row. December, January, February, and now March, I have another black liquid eyeliner. Okay, vegan, GMO free, gluten free, no mineral oil, no parabens, hypoallergenic with kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. Not tested on animals. Luna liner. Oh no, it is by a brand that I think I got their blushes sometime last year. A blush palette from them. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. Okay, I've gotten this line before, I will say that, but I got another freaking black liquid eyeliner. Okay, this retails for $18, reasonable price. Y'all, I'm still blown away by the fact that I got another black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, but I digress. Anyway, okay, so I tallied up all of the items. I got a total on the total value of the whole entire box, and it's $158.49. Okay, for $25 that I paid for it. Not bad. Now I will say this. Before I know y'all are probably like, I know good and well, girl, they didn't send you another black eyeliner. They sent me another black eyeliner, okay? I think for the most part, overall, this box, okay? Overall, not a bad box overall, let me be fair. Not a bad box overall. I got an eyeshadow palette, a body scrub, skincare, a really good brush because I got inside Ipsy, I think it was either in December or January, I got a bronzer brush from this very same brand, and I really love that brush that I use for my bronzer. So this brush is probably the most exciting thing next to the coffee body scrub. These are the two things that I love the most in this box, okay? But overall, not a bad value, not a bad price point. But I will say, unfortunately, I am going to cancel Ipsy. Oh, Ipsy Glam Plus, okay? I for the most part, and I think I've had this subscription service for a year, at least for a year now. I've had it for a year, so I'm not shocked by this. I mean, I don't even remember when I had the Ipsy glam bag, the $10 bag. I had even canceled that subscription service because it just became a little mundane. It was nothing exciting that they were giving me, nothing new, and I was like, ooh, that I was looking to get. However, overall, the subscription service itself, not bad, but I don't want to compare, but I'm going to have to compare because I only get one other subscription box, and that's with BoxyCharm. But I'm going to have to say, unfortunately, with Ipsy, if I had to compare the two, and they're at the same price point, I would stay with BoxyCharm. That's just me and my personal opinion. Don't at me. But personally, myself, I would just have to stay with BoxyCharm, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay with BoxyCharm, and unfortunately, Ipsy 4 liquid black eyeliners in 4 months is enough. It is enough, okay? So fortunately, I am going to have to cancel the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And also, just to let you know, also for my first maybe like 6 months of me getting this bag, I never got the little baggies that were supposed to come inside here. I got that like when I got like maybe my 6th or 7th month box, like, you know. So I'm sorry, Ipsy, but you gotta go. But that is it. That is all. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like me and my brand of crazy just a little bit, and you like this type of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, darling, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. It is free 99. All it takes is just the energy to push the button. Just go ahead and push the button, okay? I thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.